Did you know that okra, ignored in the vegetable aisle, is a superfood in disguise? Yes, it's true. This plain-looking vegetable is surprisingly nutrient-rich, known as it's packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Furthermore, it's a great source of dietary fiber. It's a popular ingredient in numerous global from Africa to the tropics, adding more than just taste. It intensifies the health benefits of every dish. This humble green pod is often underestimated, but it's a powerhouse nutrition. So if you've been bypassing okra in your grocery shopping, it might be time to reconsider. Let's dive into the first of our 20 amazing health benefits of okra. Okra, a humble yet powerful vegetable, has a wide array of health blessings that go far beyond what's visible to the naked eye, or the taste buds for that matter. More than just a vegetable, it's a nutrient-packed, health-boosting marvel. First and foremost, okra serves as a secret weapon for those endeavoring to lose weight. This small yet potent green pod is a low-calorie powerhouse that's brimming with dietary fibers, making it a brilliant addition to any weight management regime. The fibers in okra work to satiate your hunger, leaving you feeling full and satisfied, reducing the likelihood of midnight fridge raids and snacking. The second spectacular advantage of okra is its ability to control hypertension. Being an exceptional source of potassium, okra can help to counteract the effects of sodium and maintain proper blood pressure levels. So, if you're battling hypertension, okra could prove to be your mighty companion in this fight, helping to keep your blood pressure in check. Moving on to the third benefit, cholesterol management. Okra stands tall as a natural cholesterol buster. Its soluble fiber works wonders in lowering serum cholesterol levels. Anything that aids in keeping our cholesterol levels balanced without having to compromise on our beloved cuisines is undoubtedly a triumph. The fourth benefit to mention is the enhancement of digestive health. Okra, being bountiful in fiber, aids digestion and helps prevent constipation. It's akin to a mini wellness retreat for your digestive system. Who could resist such a healthful treat? Finally, for this segment, let's talk about blood sugar regulation. The same fiber that aids in digestion and weight loss can also help stabilize blood sugar levels. It slows down the rate of sugar absorption from the intestinal tract, acting like a personal bodyguard against sudden sugar spikes. So, what's the upshot? Okra is not just a vegetable, but a health-promoting powerhouse that deserves a spot in our diets. And that's just the beginning. There are still 15 more reasons to love okra. Let's continue our journey into the world of okra benefits. Next, we explore the effect of okra on our neurological health. This green powerhouse is rich in antioxidants and phytonutrients, the nutritional world's superheroes. These compounds help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, which can disrupt brain function. In doing so, they support your neurological health and may even combat conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. We then venture into the domain of pregnancy support. Okra is loaded with folate, vital during pregnancy. This B vitamin plays a crucial role in the fetus's neural tube development, thereby reducing birth defects. It also aids in new cell production and maintenance. Thus, it is highly recommended for expectant mothers to incorporate this nutritional giant into their diet. Moving towards the complex world of blood clotting, we find an ally in okra. The vegetable's high vitamin K content plays a pivotal role in the blood clotting process. This vitamin acts like a maestro, directing the intricate process that enables your body to stop bleeding after an injury. Therefore, it's clear, okra doesn't merely play its part, it commands the entire performance. Approaching the realm of respiratory health, okra's high vitamin C content maintains healthy tissues, including those in your lungs. This vitamin acts like a fitness coach, keeping your respiratory system fit and ready to ward off potential threats. Now we traverse into the territory of the immune system. Okra's impressive nutrient array, including antioxidants and vitamin C, fortifies your immune system. It's like possessing a personal security guard, continually prepared to shield you from harmful bacteria and viruses. Impressive, isn't it? But we've only just reached the halfway mark. Ready for more? Here are 5 more reasons to make okra a regular part of your diet. For starters, let's delve into the benefits of this vegetable for your eyes. Our eyesight is a key aspect of our health that many of us take for granted until it starts to fail us. And okra is here to help maintain our vision. Okra comes loaded with potent antioxidants such as beta-carotene and vitamin C. Now, what's so special about these antioxidants? They act as protective shields for your eyes against harmful free radicals. These antioxidants may play an instrumental role in reducing the risk of macular degeneration and cataracts. Not only is this good news for your eyes, but also for your overall health. So forget to grab some okra the next time you're out grocery shopping. It might be that secret superfood you've been searching for to maintain a clear vision. Next, let's talk about peptic ulcers. This condition can be really bothersome, causing discomfort and pain, but rest assured okra is here to help. Okra is rich in what is known as mucilage, a sticky, thick substance that can coat the lining of your stomach and potentially ease the pain associated with ulcers. It can act as a natural soothing agent for your belly. Now let's delve a little into a sensitive area. There are suggestions that okra could help with certain genital disorders. While we're not medical experts, and you should certainly not throw away your prescribed medications, certain studies suggest that okra's high antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties could benefit such conditions. As always, it's crucial to discuss any changes in your diet with your healthcare provider. Moving on, let's chat about skin health. Who doesn't crave for that natural glow, right? Okra might just become your new skincare secret. The antioxidants and vitamin C content in okra can help keep your skin looking radiant and youthful. Additionally, the dietary fibers in okra may aid in improving digestion, which can indirectly contribute to that desired healthy skin glow. Lastly, let's tackle fatigue. If you're feeling unusually drained, an okra dish might just be the pick-me-up you need. Okra is rich in compounds called polyphenols and flavonoids, which have demonstrated anti-fatigue effects. So, the next time you're feeling a bit low, why not whip up okra dish? And we're not done yet. Wait till you hear the last 5. Here we are at the final stretch. Let's wrap up with the last 5 health benefits of okra. Our first stop on this health tour is the kidneys. These small but mighty organs in our bodies are responsible for a multitude of tasks. They undertake the crucial job of keeping our blood clean and maintaining a perfect chemical balance. And what's interesting is that okra might just be their most significant ally. The powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties of okra are like knights in shining armor for your kidneys, helping to protect them from a plethora of diseases. So, the next time you're navigating the aisles of your local grocery store, don't forget to pick up some okra, the unsung hero for your kidneys. Continuing this health journey, let's head over to the liver. Amidst the many organs that benefit from the power of the okra, the liver is not to be forgotten. Okra, with its high antioxidant content, acts like a shield, safeguarding your liver from disease. It's almost as if there is protective umbrella over your liver, keeping it secure and sound from any harmful elements that might pose a threat. Switching gears a bit, let's discuss a topic that is often on the top of everyone's list: hair. Who can resist the allure of shiny, healthy, and strong hair, right? Well, let's introduce okra to our hair care regimen. Packed to the brim with essential vitamins and minerals, okra can help rejuvenate your hair, giving it a healthy and glossy look. It's like an exclusive spa treatment for your hair that you can whip up right there in your kitchen. Next, we move on to the bones, the supporting pillars of our body. Abundant in vitamin K, okra plays a vital role in promoting bone health. It contributes to increasing bone density and acts as a guard against osteoporosis. So for a robust and sturdy frame, you might want to consider inviting okra to your daily meals. And finally, let's talk about okra's anti-cancer properties. Okra is a powerhouse of antioxidants that wage war against harmful free radicals, the villains that can potentially cause cancer. It's almost like having a superhero in your salad, tirelessly fighting off the baddies. So, there you have it, 20 compelling reasons to eat more okra. Okra is truly a superfood that packs a punch when it comes to health benefits. This humble green vegetable, or should we say the green superhero, can do wonders for your health, from supporting weight loss to enhancing neurological health. Let's take a moment to remember the incredible journey we've embarked upon today, exploring the top 20 health benefits of okra. We've learned how this underrated vegetable can help regulate blood sugar levels, manage cholesterol, and even support a healthy pregnancy. It's quite impressive that one vegetable can offer so many benefits, isn't it? We also discovered how okra can aid in blood clotting, boost respiratory health, and strengthen the immune system. Not to mention it's also a boon for ocular health, helps in the healing of peptic ulcers, and even acts as a skin cleanser. Talk about a jack of all trades in the vegetable kingdom. In our journey, we also touched upon the importance of integrating okra into a balanced diet. It's not just about the okra, it's about embracing a lifestyle that prioritizes health and wellness. Okra is a shining example of how nature's bounty can provide us with the nutrients and benefits we need to lead healthier lives. So go ahead and give okra a chance. You might just find a new favorite vegetable. And while you're at it, Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more healthful insights like these.